Hi friends, this is our paper insert, and as you see, it has many kinds of insert, and it has 2 grids and 3 grids and even 4 and 5. And if you have any requirements, please consult our customer service. And we open it and turn it into a flat surface. So it is convenient for transport. And we fold it and put it into the bowl. It's still convenient to cover the lid. And we have different materials for you to choose. And this one is craft paper insert. And also we have a white cardstock for you to choose, and it can be printed. You can choose our bowl with our insert together, and it can be customized together.